Oh, it's going off? Oh, that's
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goldsboro, or 11 miles east of Centerville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Smyrna, Camden, Clayton, Cheswold, Sudlersville, Bowers, Goldsboro, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Woodland Beach, Hazlettsville, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Rising Sunshine, Wyoming, and Kenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county, Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, and Queen Anne's. For the following areas, Chesapeake.
I'm going to take this time. It's hitting me now. So, we'll see what happens.